In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome white screen. If Chrome opens to a blank white page or tabs go white when you browse, it usually means something went wrong in how the browser is loading pages, often cache, extensions, or your graphics settings. We'll start with the quickest checks, then move to deeper fixes. Try each step and test Chrome before moving on. First, fully restart Chrome. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES to open Task Manager, end all Chrome processes you see, then relaunch Chrome. If that doesn't help, restart your PC. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. Next, update Chrome. Open the menu in the top right, go to Help, then About Chrome. Chrome will check for updates and install them. Relaunch when prompted. One of the most common and effective fixes is clearing cache and cookies. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to all time. Check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. Cached files can get corrupted and cause pages to render as a blank white screen, so this step often resolves it immediately. If the problem persists, disable all extensions. Type Chrome extensions in the address bar and toggle every extension off. Restart Chrome and test a page. A single outdated or buggy extension can break rendering. If Chrome works now, turn extensions back on one by one to find the culprit. Next, turn off hardware acceleration. Open Settings, go to System and switch off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Restart Chrome. Graphics driver conflicts are a very common cause of white screens, and disabling acceleration forces Chrome to render differently. If you're still stuck, reset Chrome settings. Type Chrome Settings, reset, and click. Restore settings to their original defaults. This rolls back custom tweaks and disables extensions without deleting your bookmarks and passwords, and it can clear out a bad configuration. As a last resort, reinstall Chrome. Uninstall it from your system, then delete any leftover Chrome data folder under your user's App Data local Google directory so you start truly fresh. After that, reinstall Chrome and sign back in. To recap why this happens, the usual culprits are corrupted cache or browser data, broken or outdated extensions, GPU and hardware acceleration conflicts, and running an outdated browser or graphics drivers. Working through these steps in order typically restores normal browsing quickly.